Today I would like to educate all of you regarding dental problems. This is very common thing all over the world. 5 billion people in the world are suffering from dental problems. Either is it toothache, or is it bleeding gums, or there is any other problem in the mouth. In India alone itself, out of 100 crore populations, 30 crore people are suffering from dental problems. What is dental problem and why it comes? I would like to educate you. The main cause of dental problem is poor oral hygiene, which is because of lack of brushing, improper brushing, or insufficient brushing. If brushing is okay, oral hygiene is good, dental problems are minimal. I can tell you today, 91% of the world population does not know the correct way of brushing technique. That is the cause of poor oral hygiene. Main dental problems which I can classify for the hard tissues and the soft tissues. Hard tissue is the tooth. We have 32 teeth in the mouth. A child has 20 teeth. Adult has got 32 teeth in the mouth. These teeth, they develop decay. That is caries. Caries create lot of problems for the future. When we eat something sweet, carbohydrates, chocolates, desserts, puddings at night. After that, we don't brush our teeth and go to sleep. Some particle of these things remain on the surface of the teeth. After 3 hours or 4 hours, when we are sleeping, the message reaches to the bacteria in the mouth. You must know, in our mouth we have got 7 to 8 crore bacteria. 50% are the enemies, 50% are the friends. This enemy bacteria, when they get the news, there is some food particle on the teeth surface. All the bacteria come at that place in a big number. It's just like any political rally. Lot of people gather at one place. All the bacteria come and they convert that food into acid. That acid dissolves the enamel and makes a small cavity. Before that, I would like to tell you what is the tooth structure, how it looks like. Now I can show you over here in this chart. Once we cut the tooth in the center, it looks like this. If you can see the outer layer, this white layer, this is the enamel. This is the outer surface of the tooth. The inner surface is orange color, you can see. This is called dentine. Inside there is a big chamber which has got nerves and the blood vessels. Here the gums on the sides which are supporting the teeth, they are covering the bone. Here you see in this picture, we can see a decay starting from top. That is coming from the enamel into the dentine, and after the dentine it comes to the pulp chamber. Once the decay enters into the dentine, we get hot and cold sensations. Once decay enters the pulp chamber, we get very severe pain at night. Sometimes we wake up with the pain. If we still do not get the full treatment done, then the infection and bacteria, they travel further down at the root and they form an abscess over there. You see a patient coming to the hospital with a big swelling on his face. That time he has reached at this stage. And if we still do not get the treatment done properly at this stage, the abscess trying to burst out through the gum. This is called gum boil. At this stage, saving a tooth is a big problem. Once we are in the stage, this stage, the second picture which I am showing, the infection is just upper part of the nerve. In this case, we can save the tooth by doing pulpotomy. We remove the upper part of the nerve in one sitting and pulpotomy is done. Later on, when the infection goes further down, in this case, root canal treatment is advisable. In this root canal treatment, I can show you in the chart, we put the needles to remove the nerves, and after the nerves we put some gutta percha inside and do the filling on top, and after 1 month we put a cap, the crown on the top of the tooth, because the tooth becomes brittle after the root canal. Once the crown is given, the life is increased. This is root canal treatment. These days it has become very popular, very common, because extraction is out of fashion. Good qualified dentist, if he does a root canal treatment, it is totally painless. People have got wrong notion, it's a very painful thing. A good doctor, when he treats you, even he won't let you have pain even for the injection. So this root canal treatment is totally painless. It saves your tooth for next 10 to 15 years. You can eat well, you can enjoy your food. This is as far as the root canal treatment is concerned. As I mentioned about the caries. Now caries, it can be a rampant caries which can spread all over the teeth. Many teeth involve many teeth. It can be in the single tooth also. It can be a multiple teeth, lot of caries. So if we brush every day, morning and evening, and rinse our mouth after every meal, these caries can be avoided. Now, this root canal treatment is the final treatment in case of caries. Now, where we do root canal treatment? First thing I told you, where the caries are there, infection is there. In second case, we do root canal treatment when there is a fracture of a tooth, when there is a trauma, there is an injury, you get hurt, there is an inflammation, we do root canal treatment. In some cases where infection is less, it can be done in 2 sittings. Where the infection is more, it may take 3 to 5 sittings. But it is totally a painless thing. Another place where we do root canal treatment, when we make the bridges. When we do the bridges, in this case, front teeth are missing. We want to replace the teeth with the fixed teeth. For example, my front teeth, there are 2 teeth are missing. We can give the fixed bridge. In that case, adjoining teeth, root canal treatment has to be done, and then the bridge is made. Another case where the root canal treatment is necessary, between 2 teeth, when there is a bone, here I can show you, here between the 2 teeth, there is a bone. This bone gets resolved. The roots of the teeth, they get exposed, then you get hot and cold sensations. In such case, we have to do the root canal treatment, remove the nerves, the sensation disappears. So these are all the 4-5 cases where the root canal treatment is advisable and teeth can be saved. This is all about the root canal treatment and the decay. In our next episode, I will speak about the sensitivity and the gum diseases. This pain on chewing food can be due to a cavity, and the cold sensation is also because of that. In such case, the patient must consult a qualified dentist. If required, he may take an X-ray, then he will decide whether filling will serve the purpose or the root canal treatment to be done. This both the problems, the food getting stuck as well as your cold sensations, they can be treated by the dentist. Root canal treatment, we can remove the nerve, the sensitivity problem, which is because of many reasons, that is eliminated. Root canal treatment is done in such cases, as well as I just mentioned in my lecture. As I have mentioned earlier, the root canal treatment is done when we make bridges, replacement of the teeth especially the front teeth which are very thin. In that case, root canal treatment is also necessary. No, it is not painful if done by a good dentist. Even the injection we give to make the tooth numb, even that can be painless. For this, one must go to a qualified and experienced dentist. Once the root canal treatment is done, the teeth become brittle. There is no blood supply, no nerve supply, no nourishment. If we eat anything very hard, tooth breaks into two pieces. To avoid that, once we put a crown, layman's language we call capping, the tooth is saved. For next 10 to 15 years, it will work like a normal tooth. This is a very good question. Earlier, the dentistry was not advanced that much. Wherever there was a problem in the tooth, extraction was advisable. These days, science is advanced. We can do a root canal treatment, we can remove the infection, we can remove the nerves, and tooth can be saved, and one can use this tooth for next 10 to 15 years.